Vinyl Windows West Jordan offers homeowners a range of benefits, including improved energy efficiency and enhanced aesthetics. Energy-efficient vinyl windows. West Jordan are designed to reduce energy costs by providing superior insulation. Custom vinyl windows. West Jordan allow for personalized designs that match the unique style of any home. West Jordan window replacement services ensure that outdated or damaged windows are replaced with high-quality vinyl options. Vinyl Windows West Jordan is essential for maintaining the performance and longevity of your windows. Double-hung vinyl windows. West Jordan provide a classic look with modern functionality, while sliding vinyl windows West Jordan offer a sleek, space-saving design. Vinyl window frames West Jordan are known for their durability and low maintenance requirements, making them a popular choice among homeowners. Affordable vinyl windows. West Jordan provide cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Vinyl window upgrades. West Jordan can enhance the overall appearance and functionality of your home. Vinyl window styles. West Jordan range from traditional to contemporary, ensuring there is an option for every taste. Vinyl window contractors. West Jordan are experienced professionals who can guide you through the selection and installation process. Vinyl windows. West Jordan solutions are tailored to meet the specific needs of each homeowner. Vinyl window experts. West Jordan have the knowledge and expertise to recommend the best options for your home. Vinyl window designs. West Jordan are available in a variety of colors and finishes, allowing for complete customization. Vinyl window options. West Jordan include features such as noise reduction and UV protection. Vinyl windows. West Jordan features are designed to enhance the comfort and security of your home. Vinyl window benefits. West Jordan include increased property value and improved curb appeal. Vinyl window specialists. West Jordan are dedicated to providing top-notch service and quality products. Vinyl window enhancements. West Jordan can transform the look and feel of your home. Vinyl windows. West Jordan durability ensures that your windows will withstand the test of time and weather conditions. Vinyl window aesthetics. West Jordan add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home. Vinyl window performance. West Jordan is unmatched, providing excellent insulation and noise reduction. Vinyl window quality. West Jordan is guaranteed, with products that meet the highest industry standards. Vinyl windows. West Jordan UT are an excellent investment for any homeowner looking to improve their home's energy efficiency and appearance. West Jordan vinyl window installation is a seamless process with the help of skilled professionals. Energy-efficient vinyl windows. West Jordan are a smart choice for reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills. Custom vinyl windows. West Jordan offer endless possibilities for creating a unique and personalized look. West Jordan window replacement is a wise decision for those looking to upgrade their home's windows. Vinyl window replacement. West Jordan can address any issues and restore your windows to their original condition. Double-hung vinyl windows. West Jordan and sliding vinyl windows. West Jordan provide versatile options for any room in your home. Vinyl window frames. West Jordan are built to last, offering a long-term solution for your window needs.